Today we're giving you a room tour of the Sonnenalp in Vail. It is probably my favorite hotel in the entire world, so come on in. It is known for German hospitality and everything sort of has that European feel and flair. So first, let me tell you, this is a junior suite. Oh, I'm sorry, camera person, but let me point out, for families, they have put many hooks up to get the clothing off of the floor onto the hooks. So I absolutely love that. Now let's come to the beautiful marble-filled bathroom. Look at this, ooh la la. The Momtrends family has been known to take many a long soak in the jacuzzi tub. 2 sinks, which is always nice, and plenty of room to spread out. I will also say the Sonnenalp has these amazing robes. Where's the little crest? And we absolutely love them. Okay. Now we're going into one of my other family favorite parts of the Sonnenalp, their roomy closets. So this is just an example of how spacious the closet is. And when you're skiing, you have a lot of stuff. So I love that there's plenty of room to spread out and put all your gear in. Now this is, again, as I said, is the junior suite. Tons of space in here. So a large flat screen TV. I will say this was lovely. I don't drink coffee, so they brought me up a tea kettle so I could make my water there. These are some of the bonbons that they sent up. We ate the other chocolates. I love the floral arrangements that they come up with the Sonnenalp. I believe every room has a fireplace. This is a gas fireplace. And again, plenty of room to spread out. You can see all of the wooden touches, the beams, it's beautiful. This is another example. So I have a very messy teenager, and they gave her her own hamper for her laundry sprawl. So it's a great family spot. Now, I don't know how the lighting is gonna work out, but I'm gonna try to step out on our balcony into the crisp Vail air. Look at this view. It's just simply stunning. So this is all part of the Sonnenalp here. That's the parking area. And then they have a beautiful pool and hot tub as well off of the other side of the hotel. So if you're in Vail with your family in the summer or winter, the Sonnenalp is a gorgeous place to stay.